So guys, the first express entry draw of the year 2022 is out finally. Today, that is January 5th, 2022. The draw is out. We are discussing this important update with you today. Please be tuned till the end. My name is Sahil. Guys, welcome back once again. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant and I practice in Brampton, Ontario. My office is here. If you have to get in touch with me, my number is on the screen and the details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Guys, before we move any further, please make sure that you hit the bell icon and the subscribe button because we talk a lot about Canadian immigration. And if you're an aspirant of coming to Canada, then this is the channel that you must be subscribed to all the time. So guys, what we're discussing today is the most important express entry draws, because as always express entry draws are the most awaited every 15 days. Now January 5th, which was the first Wednesday of the year 2022, the IRCC announced its first cutoff, and this time it's been kept only for PNP class category. Now within the PNP, the cutoff has been kept at 808 points, and the total number of invitations sent out has just been 392, which means 808 is the CRS cutoff and 392 invitations have been sent out by IRCC today, which is the January 5th of the year 2022. Guys, the tie-breaking rule stands at March 04, 2021. Guys, I know a lot of you have been waiting for the Canadian Experience class, the FSW draws, and obviously a lot of people have been waiting for the PNP draws as well. So for everybody who has been invited, a hearty congratulations to all of you. Guys, for all the other applicants who have been waiting for the CEC draws and the FSW draws, don't be disheartened because this is just the beginning. The year has just started. As you can go back to the September memo, the internal memo that was shared by IRCC only. Now within that memo, it's been clearly laid out that IRCC is hoping to resume the FSW or the CEC draws once the backlog has been reduced to half within the within the express entry applications or the economic class applications. Now we don't have a guarantee or a timeline as to when the CEC draws or the FSW draws will be out, but we are hoping that the backlog gets reduced ASAP, and once that does, we can expect a CEC or an FSW draw anytime soon. We are hopeful. We all have our fingers crossed. No confirmation as to when it will happen, but we all hope that will happen soon. Guys, everybody else, wish you all the best. And if you still have any doubts, if you want to discuss your situation, please feel free to drop in a message on the number on the screen. Details are there in the description box. More than happy to connect with you. Once again, I wish you all the best and I really hope to see you soon in Canada. All the best.